Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another wonderful episode of the Wonders of Science with Mr. Whybrew. This is Season 5. This is Episode 2 in particular. And today we're going to answer the question, what are the sections of the spine? Does anyone know? Does anyone want to take a guess? Anyone? All right, let me go ahead and answer the question. So what are the sections of the spine? Well, the spine is divided up into sections, as you may know or may not know, and those sections are as follows: the cervical spine, the thoracic spine, the lumbar, and then there's two other areas of it that are more referred to these bones, not so much as sections, but as parts of the spine, and that is the sacrum and coccyx. So let's get into it. Well, the cervical section of the spine is actually made up of 7 vertebrae. The thoracic section is actually made up of 12 vertebrae, and then the lumbar section is made up of 5 vertebrae. Now, the sacrum is actually a group of bones, in fact, 5 to be exact. Now, what's pretty interesting is they actually fuse together between the ages of 18 and 30. So they start out separate, but then they fuse together somewhere between that age span, which is pretty cool. Now, the coccyx, which people know as the tailbone, is actually located under the sacrum and is actually made up of 3 bones which naturally fuse together, much similar like how the sacrum, how its bones fuse together. All right, now let me go ahead and dive in just a little bit more to this. Now, your sacrum actually sits between your 2 hip bones, which are called the ilia, okay? Now, it is this area here which connects the spine to your legs. Now, one other thought I thought I'd go ahead and mention here is there's actually a joint between the sacrum and the ilia, which is called the Sacroiliac Joint, which is also called, for short, the SI joint. Pretty cool, huh? Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for joining me for another wonderful episode of the Wonders of Science with Mr. Whybrew. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And as always, enjoy the wonders of science. Good day, and goodbye.